So I came to Whedon Nature Preserve again. It's maybe about 30 minutes from my house. And I just feel like since I've gotten here, it's like my mind is at ease for the first time in at least a couple weeks. I think that's the last time that I did a little nature trip. Excuse me. And it's just amazing how I feel like all of my energy just sort of dissipates and becomes more balanced, more like neutralized. I feel like I can breathe again, especially with all these trees. It's like this